A cap lining machine is a specialized type of wad inserting machine that specifically applies liners to bottle caps. These liners can be made of various materials, including paper, plastic, or foil, and are used to seal the container and protect the product from contamination and spoilage. Key components and functions. Liner dispenser provides a continuous supply of liners. Liner application mechanism accurately positions and applies the liner to the inside of the cap. Heat sealing. In some cases, the liner may be heat sealed to the cap for added security. Benefits of using a cap lining machine. Consistent sealing ensures reliable and airtight seals. Enhanced product protection protects the product from external factors. Improved shelf life extends the product's shelf life. Reduced waste minimizes the use of liners. By automating these processes, wad inserting and cap lining machines help manufacturers achieve higher production rates, better product quality, and lower operating costs.